wet shaving enthusiasts and newbies. Welcome into the rabbit hole of Cal Shaves. Today we're coming at you from a different location. We were expecting a great big snowstorm this weekend to hit Atlantic Canada. They were calling for a lot of snow and a lot of rain, so I figured I'd pack up my stuff and come hang out with my girlfriend and her teenage daughter for the weekend. So far, yeah, we got some snow down and a bunch of freezing rain, but I haven't been outdoors in a while. I haven't been outdoors a whole lot, so anyway, we brought all the stuff over here. So bathroom's different. She's also got a ceiling fan, so that's the noise you hear. So the sound quality of this video is probably going to be a little bit different, or maybe bore some other videos. Anyway, today I'm going to use a Razorine that I got from a BST forum. Fresh Voskhod, my favorite blades. Also using Purely Skinful. This is Connoisseur. Set notes on this are cigar parlor notes of chocolate scented tobacco with undertones of whiskey, rum, and tonka bean. It's just got a wonderful scent. It's not super sweet. I've also got a smooth operator that's got a really sweet scent to it as well. It's a very hard soap. You can see I sampled it out. And the matching aftershave balm. So we'll give that a try. I've got soaking some oak 830 boar that's starting to shed a few hairs here and there. So we got that and the Thirsty Measure lather bowl. Now, just in case I turn into a bloodbath, because I've only used that razor for a couple of passes, also grabbed my GBS slant from home. It's a behemoth. It actually looks a lot like the Razor Rock Stealth, a lot heavier, and probably, well, I don't know what it shaves like, but just in case the Razorine turns into a bloodbath, that's what we got. So anyway, guys, we'll get this on the go. So you've had the boar soaking in hot water until it's down a little bit, so you guys can see. Of course, like I said, I'm light. I've been using it a lot lately, but also with the sound quality in here. So just take this. Now, I know Distorted Edge a few days ago used one of her scents, and I'm sorry I can't remember which one, but used it in a shave stick. So I've also got smooth operator in the shave stick, so you see that's lathered really nicely. I mean, Linda's soaps she's from out of Ontario, Canada, and her soaps are known for being able to handle a lot of water. I think I may not even use the lather bowl in this one. I think get a great thick lather going there. I think we might just do a face lather as best I can. So tilt that back up. Yeah, we got a great load in here. We're not going to use the Thirsty Badger for once. So like I said, now I came in yesterday afternoon from trucking, and figuring the storm was supposed to hit down around Bangor, Maine, early, late evening yesterday night, and I don't know if they got it or not, but we were supposed to get hammered with Dr. Cohen from anywhere from 1 foot or more, and so far hasn't really happened. So get this going on. I've only ever shaved in this bathroom once before, and that was for my Halloween video when I did a green screen video for Halloween. My girlfriend's bathroom here is a lot bigger than mine at home, so we filmed it here. And of course, you guys didn't hear me talk. I had the tunes correct. Not sure how the audio's going to be on this one, but we'll give it a try. So, a bit more water in that. Linda's getting to be very popular in the community. She's got a whole line of different products. This one is a beef tallow. She also has some deer tallow. and constantly, changing things up, adding new product lines to it. So, wait, dry our hands, make sure it's like, slip of this razor. I find the blade exposure on these takes a little bit. I'm still not sure it's exactly right. It takes a little bit to get figured out, but we'll give this a try. And again, the angle's a little. Yeah, it just takes a little bit to get yourself figure out how to do it. Like I said, the angle is just really strange from what I'm used to. I don't find it super aggressive so far. Not the most comfortable razor to hold by any stretch, and drop it all over the place. It's just definitely strange. As far as I know, Shave Nation is the only place in North America that carries these. They are made in Italy. I think they're catching on in popularity. Like I said, it's just definitely different. And again, having used regular double-edged safety razors and shavettes and straight razors over the last year and a half, it's taken some getting used to this. I thought it would be more aggressive than what it is, but actually it's not too bad. So the only time I've used this is in my 3 razors, 1 shave video I did a few weeks ago. Was a tag video was going around. I was tagged by the Sask shaver, Lyle Navard, and by Jason Bryan, Distorted Edge Shaving. So I used it along with a shovel head. Never any shovel head, single edge, and I believe straight. Not bad. First pass, several days growth as usual. Like I said, out trucking all week. So we'll wet the face and get ready for a second pass. Well, the Linda soaps are just going to be extremely popular in the community. Great slickness, great post shave. Like I said, they build up lather just so easily. I mean, scents are subjective too, but some of the scents, like I said, I've got this one here, the Connoisseur. I've got Lords and Barons, a sample of it at home. I've got Smooth Operator. Guys that try her sweet cherry pie are just in love with it. I'm not a huge fan of cherries, but I can definitely appreciate it's got a nice scent to it. A little bit more water in there. I don't make the great big swirlies like a lot of guys do. Like I find with my Van Dyke miter, it's a little bit harder to do. So, okay, so second pass. Again, with razors like this, because of the way you hold them, I find it a little bit harder to deal with with crossing against the grain. So, actually, I'm going to try doing it against the grain on my neck. See if I can figure this out. I think these Razorines go for, I think Geo's selling for about $50 on $50 US on Shave Nation. Some guys like it, from what I can figure. Some guys, it's kind of iffy. I'm one of the guys that's kind of iffy. It's just different. Try this with the other hand, keep drying this off, because there was no knurling at all on that. So like I said, it could very easily get slippy. So we'll try this with my weaker hand. Try to take my ear off. Said on my right side, across grain is always a problem, or against routed grain, so go this way. I wouldn't say this is going to be one of my favorite razors, not even close. I will use it from time to time, but yeah, you might have a few weepers there, but definitely not one of my favorites. The soap, on the other hand, like I said, I've tried to use them on a few different shaves, and yeah, the Purely Skinful, yeah. Really enjoying using those. Like I said, the scents are great. The lathering is great. Slickness is top notch. Like I said, the guys are loving. You watch other YouTubers, and you know, the guys are really loving these things. Or this particular soap. So, just go on my neck and do a quick cleanup. So no, we're just having a lazy day here. Did a little bit of shopping earlier there, went over to Home Depot, just looking at different ideas for different products we want to do. But for the most part, we decided we'd hunker down, sit out the storm, and yeah, and then I'm back to work, back trucking again on Tuesday. So, okay, we'll do. Again, trying to figure out how to hold this thing is a little weird. It doesn't hold like anything else. It doesn't hold like a safety razor. It doesn't hold as nicely as a straight razor, although because it's got the side blade, it is more maneuverable. Ouch. I think I got myself right in the Adam's apple. Yep, that'll do it. So anyway, guys, we're going to do a quick cleanup, and then we'll come back and talk about this some more. So we'll see you guys in just a couple of minutes there. Hey guys, we're back. Yeah, got me a few spots, a few weepers, but I could feel it when I was doing it. So anyway, what we're going to do, razor rock Allen block, run it across, and just seal those little nicks. Ow. Ow. Yep. Yeah. A little bit of burn on my cheek. Not much. Definitely on my neck. I haven't had burn like that in a very long time, and that's nothing to do with soap. That is inexperience with that blade. I know that's over. I've used it a few times. I know it works well. Inexperience with that blade. But that's what the Allen block is there for. See all those weepers? So we'll just look in there for a minute. And then we'll do a rinse. And put on the aftershave while we sit. It's a wintry scent for me. But it's not super sweet. But, we give that a go. No. Yeah, definitely not my favorite razor. Inexperience. The other thing I'm talking, my mustache is either needing a trim or needing to be shaped. So if you guys have tips or tricks, tips and hacks from me, I would love to hear about them. If you want to leave comments below about your tricks, tips, and hacks for mustache, I'd like to hear it, because like I said, I haven't had one of these in years. Rinse the yellow off. Yeah, like I said, imagine scents are just unbelievable. Like I said there. Let's see. Actually, my 50 subscriber giveaway, I use Purely Skinful, and yeah, I suggest really great stuff. Getting great reviews in the community. Check out other YouTube channels; they're doing reviews of it as well. My buddy Distorted Edge Shaving, Jason Bryan, he's done a few reviews, and like I said, you guys are really enjoying stuff. So, anyway, guys, that's me for today. So we'll come back to you again in a few days. As always, your comments, suggestions, good, bad, and different, I definitely appreciate it. Feel free to leave comments below. Feel free to interact. I look forward to that stuff with you guys. So, anyway, you guys take care. Have a great week. We'll see you again in a few days. Bye bye.